Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie, and I try to come up with quick, easy, and delicious recipes that the whole family can enjoy. So today I'm going to be making a tried and true favorite in my household. I'm making spinach artichoke dip. Stay tuned for the recipe. So in a large bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of cream cheese that's at room temperature, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and I'm using old white cheddar. I like a strong cheese with this dip, but it's up to you what type of cheese you'd like to use. This is 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. This is a 370 milliliter jar of artichoke hearts, and I'm going to drain off the water, chop them up, and then add them to my bowl. This is a handful of fresh spinach that I've chopped up. If you use frozen spinach, just be sure to drain off the water once it's defrosted before adding it to the bowl. And the last ingredient is a dash or 2 of black pepper. And now I'm just going to mix this all together. I usually make this dip as an appetizer when we're having people over, and I'll serve it with tortilla chips or veggies, and sometimes I make it for just the 5 of us for Friday movie night. So now it's time to add this to my oven-safe bowl and even it out with the back of my spoon. This is going in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is a light golden brown. And here it is, a delicious creamy dip that's perfect for a backyard gathering or a weekend family movie night. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care.